Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today I'm going to show you step by step how to join one of the hottest TikTok trends, the AI boyfriend filter. In just minutes, you will be able to transform your photo into a short animations where your very own AI boyfriend appears. Okay, let's get started. First, just open your TikTok and then make sure it's updated so you can access the latest filters. And once you're in, just hit strike to the search bar at the top, this one, and then just search for AI boyfriend filter, and then TikTok will bring up a list of effects and trending video like this, and then just look for the official filter. It's usually labeled as AI boyfriend like this, so just tap on it or just tap on the camera icon. Now comes the fun part. TikTok will ask you to upload a photo, or you can also take a photo directly on TikTok, but in this tutorial I will just upload a photo. So just choose a clear photo of yourself. It's preferably one where your face is visible and well lit, because this will help the AI create the best results. And then just wait for the process.
Don't need these other pretty faces like I need you. Don't need these other pretty faces like I need you. Don't need these.
And like that, your picture has been transformed into a short animations, and then your AI boyfriends will appear like that. And then you can just share it directly on your TikTok account, or even you can also share it to your another social media. And okay, maybe that's it. Super easy, right? Now you can join the AI boyfriend trend. Okay, if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.